17 का, स्ट्रक्चर से 4 का, डिजाइन से 14 का, आरसीसी 15 का, कंस्ट्रक्शन प्लानिंग 10 का, हाइड्रोफ्लो 13 का, 3 का, इरिगेशन 12 का, वो हो गया। A network of pipe conveying water to a city has the following specifications. The diameter of a main pipe is 30 cm and branches into two pipes of diameter 27 cm. If the average velocity in the main pipe is 2.5, the average velocity in 2 meter, what the velocity is cm? Where Q is equal to Q1 plus Q2 लगा है। Centrifugal pump delivers water against a net head of 14.5 meter and design speed of 1000 rpm. The vanes are curved back to an angle of 30 degree with the perimeter. The propeller diameter is 30 mm and the outlet width is 50 mm. What is the tangential velocity of the impeller at outlet? क्या होगा 15.7 कैसे एच इक्वल टू होगा एच हो गया 5 डायमीटर 0.3 बी टू इक्वल टू 0.05 यू इक्वल टू यू डी टू अब एन अपॉन 60 यू टू का 3.7 हो गया। ठीक है देखो 7.5 मीटर वैसे पकड़ते हैं तो दूर कोनस पकड़ते हैं 7.5 सेंटीमीटर डायमीटर कोनस पकड़ो ना उसको एक्सेल पकड़ नहीं आता है। हाँ सेंटीमीटर डायमीटर जेट ऑफ वाटर स्ट्रक्चर कॉन्फ्लोइंग विद सेंटर विद वेलोसिटी ऑफ 20 मीटर पर सेकंड द कर्व प्लेट इज moving with the velocity of 8 meter per second in the direction of the jet. The jet is deflected through an angle of 165 degree. By assuming the plate at a smooth, what is the angle made by relative velocity of the outlet of the pipe? ठीक आ जाएगा 15 डिग्री। ठीक है ये देख लो ये तो ये हो गया diameter is equal to this 7.5 u is equal to 20 meter per second u is equal to 8 plate viscosity v R1 होगा v R1 होगा एंगल मेड बाय रिलेटिव वेलोसिटी एट आउटलेट 15 डिग्री हो गया। A reservoir has a head of 40 meter and channel leading from the reservoir permits a flow rate of 34 meter cube per second. If the piston speed of the rotor is 150 rpm, what is the power of the turbine? G is equal to 9.81. Head is equal to 40 meter, G is equal to 34 meter cube per second, N is equal to 150 rpm, G is equal to 9.81. Power of turbine rho gh हो गया rho q gh हो गया। Steam function is given by size equal to 3x square minus y cube. What is the magnitude of velocity component at the point 21? देखो ये होगा u is equal to d psi by dy कर देते 3y square v is equal to 6y हो जाएगा u is equal to v is equal to u हो जाएगा v is equal to u is equal to इसका आंसर आएगा। Full load is supplied by the turbine shaft when the diameter of the jet is swing from the nozzle 1 km. If the load suddenly drops 26% of the full load, what diameter of the jet should be attained by regulating the p is equal to rho q gh. P is equal to d square p2 d2. But the depth of point below water level water surface in sea where pressure intensity is 1.006 milliliter per meter square तो इसमें जो सी वाटर कितना है 1.025 c is equal to 100 मीटर कैसे p is equal to rho gh हो जाएगा यहाँ से मतलब इस equal to आ जाएगा। ठीक है two pressure point in water pipe are connected to a manometer which has the form of an inverted U-tube. The space above the water in the tool limb of the manometer is filled with toluene specified to 0.875. The difference of the water level of water column in the tool limbs 12 cm for the corresponding difference of the pressure. D is equal to inverted U-tube manometer ये हिंदी को भी हो गया P minus P2 अपन हो दिया इसको भी हो जाएगा P हो गया। What is the minimum size of the glass tube that can be used to measure water level if the capillary rise in the tube is restricted to 2 mm? Take surface of the water in contact with the air equal to 0.0735575 Newton. Water in gas is equal to 2 mm होगा go हो गया D is equal to 2 cost अपन हो जी आ रही है मतलब क्या करके D is equal to 1.5. A semi-tubular cylinder of 75 mm radius with concave side upstream drag coefficient 2.3 some oil in flowing water of viscous velocity 0.6 meter per second. If the cylinder is 7.2 meter चार करो तुम oil please. Density of the water is 100 mm. What is the drag? CD will be U हो जाए L is equal to R इतना F is equal to CD half rho A V square यहाँ फॉर्मूला कर पड़ेगा if the A is equal to R into L ये हो जाएगा। A double acting reciprocating pump having piston area 0.5 1 meter square has a stopping 0.3. The pump is at 2.4 meter cube of water per meter at 45 rpm through a height of 20 meter. What is the slip of the pump? A piston is A L Q Q minus 2.4 N equal to 45 HS plus SD 10 है तो theoretical mass speed है theoretical 2 ALN upon 60 ये theoretical ये हो 0.05 slip मतलब उसमें घटा के तो 5 0.1. If the pressure head of water is 100 meter and specific gravity of kerosene is 0.81, what is the pressure head of the kerosene? 123.4 कैसे P is equal to 100 m of H2O यहाँ हो गया S kerosene पर 0.8 P is equal to rho GS यहाँ फॉर्मूला का 100.8 is equal to 1.83.43. A lake has an area of 50 kilometers square. The observation of hydrological variation during any certain reservoir. The 700 mm per hour average inflow 1.4 meter cube per second, average outflow Q outflow 1.46 meter cube per second. Assume there is no net water exchange between the lake and the ground. What is the evaporation during this year? B 280 mm हो जाएगा. I is equal to Q plus delta S by delta T. 70 plus 1.4 70 ये हो गया. ये करके आउटफ्लो 1.6 प्लस ई ये हो गया. डेल्टा इज इक्वल टू ई 0 I is equal to Q. तो यहाँ से याद. A bridge has an expected life 25 years and is designed for a third magnitude of returning period 100 years. What is the risk of the hurricane? The probability from the 1 T is equal to 1 upon T. यहाँ से 0.0 नॉन इक्विवेलेंस मतलब Q minus T 0.9. Risk of design this तो P is equal to 1 minus 0.9 T हो गया. In a ground filter the tractor took 8 hours to travel between two observation wells which are 56 meter apart. The difference of water table elevation in this well is 0.7. The volume of the water is 30% of the total volume of the fire. What is the hydraulic conductivity of the fire? If the dynamic viscosity is 0.09. देखो ये रहा ऐसा कुछ, यानी ये रहा K V इक्वल टू डी अपॉन टी. यहाँ से आगे V इक्वल टू बी एस इंटू एन होता है. यहाँ से आ जाएगा V इक्वल टू के आई हो जाएगा. के इक्वल टू वी अपॉन 168 मीटर पर आवर. चैनल रूटिंग क्या था? डी मतलब क्या होगा? एज द फ्लड वेव मूव्स डाउन द रिवर द स्टेप ऑफ द वेव डज नॉट चेंज. पहला. दूसरा, द एडिशन ऑफ द लेटरल इनफ्लो कैन कॉज एन इंक्रीज इन अल्टुएशन. ये हो गया, दो चीज़ हो गया. ठीक, बाकी गड़बड़ है. नॉट करके मतलब ये दोनों गड़बड़ है. सही कहें. चैनल रूटिंग द हाइड्रोलिक एट हाइड्रोजन प्रेडिक्टेड बाय कंसीडरिंग चैनल रिच एंड इनपुट हाइड्रोग्लास विद एफटी मीन. ठीक है, पहला. दूसरा क्या है? फ्लड वेव्स पासिंग थ्रू. चार्ज लगाई हो, चार्ज हो रहा था. Consider the following difference between water logging. Water 1, 2, 3. But it is meant that water logging can be controlled only if the quality of water into the soil below is checked and reduced. Attempts will be made to reduce the seepage of the water from the canal and water course. हो गया, दो हो गया. तीसरा, the entire irrigable land should receive canal water in all seasons. ठीक है. If wheat requires 7.5 cm of water after every 20 years and waste period of for wheat is 140, what is the value of delta for water? ये क्या हो जाएगा? पता नहीं. आंसर होगा 45. इंग्लिश 45 6 हो गया. A tile drainage system draining 12 hectare close at a to the following is covered. This system is designed using a drainage coefficient of 1.2. How much of water will be removed during this period? See, 3000 meter cube. A is equal to 12 हो गया. Clear? Q is equal to 1 into delta of water removed कितना 2.5 cm. Volume 14 कितना 0.2 हो गया. What is the hydraulic radius of a stable canal carrying a discharge of 27 meter cube per second using Lacy method? Q is equal to 27, F is equal to R to 0.47 Q upon F of R 1 by 3 हो गया. Find consider the following regarding loss of the D. The water loss by evaporation is generally very small as compared to water loss by seepage in certain cases. In percolation, there exists a one of continuation and saturation from the canal to the water table and direct flow is just less. सही बात है. In adsorption, a small saturated soil zone exists around the canal and is surrounded by a zone of decreasing saturation. ये दो तीन हो गए. देखो, चीफ एम ऑफ द वाटर रिवर ट्रेनिंग क्या होगा? टू अचीव अल्टीमेट स्टेबिलिटी ऑफ द रिवर विद द एड ऑफ रिवर ट्रेनिंग मेजर्स. ये हो गया. व्हिच वन ऑफ द फॉलोइंग कंडीशन इज करेक्ट फॉर अ चैनल टू बिहेव इन द ट्रू रिदम? दिस सिल्ट चेंज इन कांस्टेंट. ये हो गया. व्हाट इज द डेल्टा? व्हाट इज डेल्टा फॉर अ क्रॉप व्हेन इट्स ड्यूटी इज 864 हेक्टेयर पर क्यूबिक मीटर ऑन द फील्ड एंड द बेस स्पीड ऑफ द 120. तो ये हो गया, ये 120 सेंटीमीटर. यहाँ हो गया. Which of the following is the merit of combined sewer system? A. Rain water dilutes the sewer, therefore it can be easily recirculated. Which one of the following is the device used for measuring the velocity of the flowing water in pipe or open channel? ये होगा A. Pitot tube. A local velocity measure device is Pitot tube. अब अगला देखिए. Which one of the following is the process in which ammonia oxidized to nitrate and then to nitrates by aerobic ammonia? कौन सा? nitrification. A tank into which raw or partly treated sewage is collected left to stand discharge at such a rate it may be necessary for subsequent treatment. को क्या बोलते हैं? डोजिंग टैंक बोलते हैं. डोजिंग टैंक वो हो गया. In the context of sludge conditioning, the illustration is a synonym. क्या होता है? इसको washing बोलते हैं. Sludge thickness commonly achieved by falling. कौन सा? तीन मेथड होता है. gravity thickening, air pressure centrifugation. तीन मेथड होता है. rotary drum भी होता है. Which one of the following is the process whereby a campus added to waste water resulting in reduction of the force trending to keep suspended particle apart? ये होता है coagulation. Which one of the following is grit removal unit which also removes silt as well as some organic matter along with grit? ये detritus tank होता है. The domestic sewage of the town was tested for solid total solid and the following results were obtained. C. मतलब weight of sample of sewage 1000 हो गया. Weight of solid after evaporation 0.952 gram. Weight of dry solid residue after evaporation 0.5. What is the value of lateral CO2? वेट ऑफ सॉलिड दिया है, इवेपोरेशन पर वेट ऑफ वाटर कितना होता है, वेट ऑफ सॉलिड 0.517, वेट ऑफ वोलेटाइल्स व्हिच आर लॉस्ट इसमें कर दिया 40 एक स्टेबल यूनिट इज रफली 1 किलोग्राम और 1000 The quantity of nitrogen present in waste water before the decomposition of organic matter has started by क्या होगा तुमको ये A और C अल्बुमिनाइड ऑक्सीजन और दूसरा क्या है ऑर्गेनिक नाइट्रोजन, ठीक है। Which one of the following is that low water content of the soil at which plant can be longer extract sufficient water for its growth, क्या हो सकता है wilting point, ठीक है। Which one of the following is the advantage of using activated carbon for water treatment, कौन सा it removes organic matter present in water। A soil has bulk density of 20.1 kilonewton per meter square and water content is 50 meter. What is the water content if the soil partially dries to density of 19.4 km per meter and the water remains unchanged, ये होगा गामा सी हो गया, गामा डी हो गया, तो गामा टी इक्वल टू जी एस गामा डब्ल्यू 1 + W 1 + E 1 + E जी एस गामा डब्ल्यू यहाँ कर दो, वहाँ करके डब्ल्यू सी होगा। ए फाइन ग्रेन सॉइल इज फाउंड टू हैव ए लिक्विड लिमिट ऑफ 90%, परसेंटेज ऑफ 50, नेचुरल वाटर कंटेंट 28 और व्हाट इज लिक्विडिटी इन सेट क्या है 0.24, W is 90%, IP is 50, W is 28, W minus IP 90 minus IL यहाँ से होगा। A concentration of 2000 kilonewton is applied at the ground, so what is the vertical stress at a 0.6 meter and actually below the ground। अभी देखो बोस्टन क्वेश्चन Q इक्वल टू Z इक्वल टू R Q Z इक्वल टू Q अपन Z स्क्वायर 3/2 1/1 प्लस R बाई Z का होल स्क्वायर 5/2 Q Z इक्वल टू Q B Z 1/3 पाई Z कर दिया हो जाए R इक्वल टू 0 K B 0.4 Z इक्वल टू Q आ जाए। तो ये फॉर कैटेगरी ऑफ लोकल शेयर फेलर डी फेलर इज नॉट सर्टेन एंड देयर इज नो रेडियम मूवमेंट, ये हो जाएगा नहीं सर्टेन तो नहीं ट्रिग्नो हो जाए, ठीक है। सैंपल ऑफ सिटी क्ले है जब वॉल्यूम 14.88 सेंटीमीटर पर क्यूब एंड टोटल मास ऑफ 28.81 ग्राम ड्राई मास ऑफ 24. स्पेसिफिक व्हाट इज वाइड टू सी बी इज डब्ल्यू एस जी एस गामा डब्ल्यू हो गया ई इक्वल टू वी पी अपॉन वी एस ये हो गया 0.618। ए कांस्टेंट हेड पेरीमीटर इज कैरीड आउट ऑन ए स्फेरिकल sample of sand 10 centimeter diameter and 50 centimeter height 1 centimeter of water is collected in 1.75 minutes under a head of 30 centimeter. What is the coefficient of permeability in millimeters? This is D is equal to 10, L is equal to this, V is equal to this, T is equal to head हो गया, Q is equal to K I है, V upon T is equal to K ये हो जाएगा। Then the following the correct answer of the kind theory consists the given surface plane and maybe horizontal plane, ये भी plane of the difference है। If draining or fiber resistant from building which is at rest the earth pressure per meter length per meter K is equal to देखो is equal to 5 और 5 is equal to 30 होगा गामा is equal to 18 kilo the earth pressure at rest coefficient देखो P naught इक्वल टू K naught गामा T and Z 1 minus sin square that is square into फिर इसके लिए एरिया निकाल देंगे। First the following is related to the question with the use of geotextile D start with an adequate water pressure stress condition Clear geotextile set a proper width on the ground surface. A construction equipment must work from the soil level and be kept on the continuity. ये हो जाएगा, ये 3 हो जाएगा, ठीक है। अगला ये हो गया। The void of surface class amount 0.1 the degree of saturation 0.70. What is the bulk unit weight of the mineral? G is equal to 2.7 D 90.1 G S plus S E gamma W 1 plus E ये हो जाएगा। What is the coefficient of volume change using change in void system for pressure range 100 km per meter square से 200 km सिग्मा दिस ये है ई नॉट ये हो गया मतलब इनिशियल सिग्मा दिस 200 सिग्मा 100 km पर तो डेल्टा ई मतलब माइनस 0.1 एम भी क्या आ जाएगा ए बी अपन 1 प्लस ई नॉट यहाँ से फॉर्मूला से ये आ जाएगा 0.7 which one of the following problem is required to be studied in design of the earth dam ये और बी कंप्यूटेशन ऑफ सॉइल लॉस सीपेज लॉस से देखना पड़ता है, ठीक है। अब देखो which one of the following is not an instrument for setting out right angle कौन सा है डी ऑप्टिकल स्टाफ नहीं है। which one of the following is for prismatic compass से क्या होगा तुमको सी मतलब the graduation है engraved inverted ये होगा prismatic compass में inverted prism which can be get अब देखो magnetic declination in at a place in is in horizontal angle between कौन सा the true meridian और magnetic meridian के बीच में होता है, ठीक है। ये हो गया magnetic bearing of a line is S28 degree and 30 minute east. What is the true bearing of the line if magnetic declination 7 degree 30 minute towards west ये होगा A एस देखो magnetic ये होगा W ये हो गया true bearing ये हो गया coordinate ये हो गया जब बसवा बाली जेनिथ क्या होता है जेनिथ तो पॉइंट ऑन द अपर पोर्शन ऑफ द सेसल स्क्वायर मार्क बाय प्लम लाइन अबव द ऑब्जर्वर ये तो जेनिथ, ठीक है। नादिर क्या होगा लोअर पॉइंट वाला, ठीक है। जेनिथ और नादिर दोनों उल्टा व्हिच वन ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज करेक्ट फॉर रिमोट सेंसिंग कौन सा इट रिक्वायर्स नॉट करेक्ट रिक्वायर्स एब्जॉर्प्शन ऑफ एनर्जी गड़बड़ है एनर्जी सोर्स प्रोपगेशन में एनर्जी देते हैं 3 चीज़ एनर्जी इन रिमोट सेंसिंग डील्स विद द रीजन ऑफ इलेक्ट्रोमैग्नेटिक स्पेक्ट्रम बी इंफ्रारेड, ठीक है। और व्हिच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज रिलेटेड क्लासिफिकेशन बेस्ड अपॉन द ऑब्जेक्ट ऑफ द स्टडी ऑफ द डी A cluster for unearthing relics of antiquity, geological survey for determining the different terrain of structure. सही बात है. Minus survey for exploring mineral wells such as gold, coal, etc. In setting up plane table at station P, the corresponding point on the plane was not accurately centered about P. The placement of P was 30 cm in a direction at right angle to the ray, and the scale is 1 cm to 2 meter. For how much of the plan would be transferred is position of the point. Scale 1 cm 2 meter, 10 mm 100, 10 cm 10 upon 2. It is 1,000. A photographic survey is carried out on a scale of 1 upon 20,000. A camera with a wide angle of lens of f 1 cm was used with 25 cm 25 lens size with a net 65% overlap along the length of flight. What is the error in height given by error of 0.15 mm in measuring the parallax of the point? अब ये देखो s equal to 220 और f equal to ये होगा. The scale will 1.20 मतलब f on s equal to 1.20 f on s आके h आ गया. बेस प्लेट क्या था? b equal to 1 minus pl ls हो जाएगा. तो फॉर्मूला रखो 120 डेल्टा equal to h minus s का होल स्क्वायर bf on delta p. What is the aeroplane flying height to obtain the average scale of the photograph equal to 1 upon 32,000. Ground surface elevation by 160 to 49 focal length of the होगा 4.0. A scale to f1 h minus value से ध्यान से बढ़ा दीजिए. Between fully solid fulfillment when transition comes to transient and its radius at the junction with the circular curve should be same as that of circular curve. ये होगा. Road pavement reflection measured near cracks are normally much lower than the measurement in non-stream. Thermal and moisture gradient in the vertical direction of the concrete slab does not have any influence of the deflection measurement. Which of the following tunneling method is adopted on the situation where the metro alignment passes under the residential building of a canal? C. Tube tunneling method हो गया. Question the following statement related to the advantage of concrete sleeper. C. Concrete sleeper are not suitable for beater packing के लिए है. ये होगा. Concrete sleeper. Which one of the following not the method of tunneling in hard rock? Hard rock में कौन सा 60 मीटर यूज नहीं करते. Consider the following related to advantage of uniformity of rail gauge. Me. 2 and 3. Large set of store goods are not required. A labor strike do not affect the service and operation of the trans. ये दोनों सही है. Which one of the following are provided to give access to properties along the import highway with controlled access to expressway highway का होता है frontage road बोलते हैं. When properly designed traffic signals are used, which one of the following is advantage to traffic signal? A signal allow crossing of the heavy traffic with safety. हो गया. If the ruling gradient is 1 and 150 on a particular section of road gauge at the same time, code on this ruling gradient, what is the allowable ruling gradient? क्या हो जाएगा? C 1 and 1. As per BG 0.04% degree, compensation for 4 degree का था 16%. Ruling gradient 150, 0.16 maximum allowable gradient of the actual. ये देखो 0.15. What is the value of headlight sight distance for a highway with a design speed 65 km? देखो HSD का तो 0. और BT plus B का 254 है. हो गया. Minimum stopping sight distance on a -3.5 grade% the grade of a design speed of 110 km. Consider friction coefficient F equal to 0.2, F equal to 2, G equal to 0. तो इसमें फॉर्मूला ये आ जाए. The free minimum speed on a roadway is found to be 80 km per hour under sport condition. The average spacing between the vehicle is what is the capacity per hour. देखो KF is equal to क्या देखो 80 km per hour, kg is equal to 100.6 kg half.